Okay, it's 19 degrees out here this morning, but we're used to it right up here in the north, right? We got the one side done. We're using a 1995 Nissan Quest outer tie rod end. That's long, a lot longer than an S13 one. So that works. Got a good amount of angle. We're gonna make a new 1/4 inch plate kind of top that looks nicer, but if I can get the alignment right with how this is, I'm gonna use the measurements to make it right. We're gonna have to heat all this up and hammer it up like the other side and get all this put back together. Unfortunately, my 5-lug stuff probably isn't gonna get here today. It's not scheduled for delivery until Monday. Today's Saturday. Coming up in future videos, Matt is actually gonna be buying my style up wheels off me. I kind of wish that I'd gotten bronze wheels instead of silver. And since his car is a very dark green, almost black, these are gonna look great on his car. What we're gonna do, I have a heated knife tire groover. We're gonna take these Federal RSRRs and put a lot more grooves into them. Hopefully help with the cold and help with the winter traction up front. Should be pretty good. So you'll have that to look forward to. Heating this up so we can bash this out. We'll have to measure and get both sides the same. Get the coilovers mounted and check the alignment. Bye-bye cruise control. I don't know what that is. It says pump assembly. Wow, it'd be cool if this is a vacuum pump. I could probably use that. I'm just gonna pull the rest of the cruise control out and get it out of the way. Can't use it with my steering wheel anyways. So take these nuts off, take it off of the pulley. Sometimes you have to be a human impact on these old cars. You just gotta hit it fast to try to loosen stuff. It can really work in your favor. See, just like that. I got one. I measured the other side. Now I'm making some marks so I know exactly where to drill the new holes. Moved a whole lot. This whole area here came out and up. We measured the other side and got this side marked in to the center of these holes. Alright, drill them out, mark them and drill them. Sweet. Alright.
Moment of truth.
A moment of truth. Booyah. Measure 5 times, cut once, right?
Yep. Or measure more.
Or more.
Never hurts. Watch it show up right as we need it.
My 5-lug might be on that truck. Come on, please. I'm sure you guys can figure out what was on that truck. Tune in tomorrow at 11:11 a.m. Subscribe, like, comment, Turn on notifications and go to www.bga.world to support us directly.